Today we are doing exercise question of chapter 3rd. ठीक है, तो atoms and molecules. ठीक है, question number 6. So what is given in question number 6? That we have to calculate molar mass of the following substances. So it's easy बेटा. If you want to calculate molar mass of HNO3, ठीक है, complex वाला मैं बताती हूँ. HNO3, so so what is the mass of hydrogen? Mass of hydrogen 1. Mass of nitrogen no, its atomic number is 7. Mass number is 14. And mass number of oxygen 16. 8 is atomic number beta. 16 is the mass number of oxygen. So hydrogen 1 है plus nitrogen भी 1 है 14 plus ऑक्सीजन का अमाउंट कितना है टोटल ऑक्सीजन 3. 3 into 16. So add these 1 plus 14 plus 48. ठीक है, इसे ऐड करोगे तो आपको कैलकुलेशन में आंसर आएगा. That is 63 ग्राम पर मोल. ठीक है, because you know that 1 mole of any substance, 1 mole of any element, any compound and ion is equal to its molar mass. ठीक है, ये atomic mass. Yes.
6 का A पार्ट है.
6 का A1. Ethyne. What is the valency of carbon atom?
12.
Valency, I am asking valency. Thomas, नहीं.
4.
Okay. Its valency is 4. ठीक है. So ethyne बना है तो its valency is 4. It means carbon makes 4 bond with any other elements. ठीक है, valency is 4 मतलब ये किसी 4 element से combine होगा and it form 4 bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है, but they are 2 carbon atom. ठीक है, 2 carbon atom तो both carbon atom forms 4 bond with any other element. तो ये भी आपको क्या करेगा 1, 2, 3, 4 bond बनाया 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many hydrogen atoms are present? Only 2 hydrogen. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे एक सिंगल हाइड्रोजन लगा दिया, ये सिंगल हाइड्रोजन लगा दिया, बाकी सब क्या है ब्रैकेट है. तो ये वाले बॉन्ड आके बीच में लग जाते हैं. Now each carbon forms 4 bond with itself and with any other element. ठीक है, 4 bond देखो टोटल आपके हैं 3 यहाँ पे और 4 ऊपर. ठीक है, एक ऊपर. So we have to calculate its molar mass. What is the mass of carbon? 12. Mass of hydrogen 1. So they are 2 carbon atom. 2 into 12 plus 1 into 2. So 2 आएगा तो answer will be 26 ग्राम पर मोल. That's it. So carbon C2H2 is the formula of ethyne. ठीक है, so mass of carbon is 12 and mass of hydrogen is 1. So there are 2 carbon atoms. So multiply it 2 into 12 plus 1 into 2 करेंगे तो 2 ही आएगा. ऊपर वाला वो बॉन्ड बताया था that each carbon form 4 bond with any other element or with itself. ठीक है, but in the formula there are only 2 hydrogen atoms. ठीक है, so it makes one bond, single bond with each one hydrogen atom. ठीक है, each carbon atom makes single bond with this single hydrogen atom. अब यहाँ पे single हो गया. How many bonds are left? एक सिंगल हाइड्रोजन अटैच हो गया उससे, तो कितने बॉन्ड बचे कार्बन में? कार्बन जो होता है सिंगल कार्बन फॉर्म 4 बॉन्ड. ठीक है, एक सिंगल बॉन्ड अगर हाइड्रोजन ले लिया तो बाकी कितने बचे? Only 3 bonds are left. तो 3 bonds आप इनके बीच में लगा दो. That's it. we will read this in class 10. Okay, so don't bother about it. Try to learn this mass number. 11th page. So P4 is given. So P4 mass of phosphorus is 31. So 4 into 31. Okay, बस कुछ नहीं करना चाहिए.
हाँ मेरे पास सल्फर मॉलिक्यूल को बता दीजिए.
Mass of sulfur is 32. Acid is given ना.
32 into 8.
So 8 into 32. या 32 into 8 कर लो. That is 256 ग्राम per mole.
तुम क्या बता रहे थे?
Phosphorus है P4 and that is Sp. First one का आंसर 26 ग्राम per mole. ठीक है. Second sulfur S8 is equal to 256 ग्राम per mole. And next is phosphorus P4 124 gram per mole. And HCl mass of hydrogen is 1 and Cl mass of Cl is 35.5. ठीक है. सिर्फ ऐड करना है. 53. But iodine is not given, beta. In the question, iodine is not given. Iodine is
क्वेश्चन डी.
question D HCl है बेटा. It's HCl. Mass of Cl is 35.5. Yes. 35.5 plus 1, that is 36.5 gram per mole. You will do. So next question, next is what is the mass? Means you have to calculate mass. Mass is not given in the question. Okay? What is given? That 1 mole of nitrogen atom means mole is given. Mole is equal to 1 mole. Okay? And nitrogen atom is given. You know the atomic mass of nitrogen atom. Atom is given, so atomic mass consider करेंगे. If molecule or compound is given, then we have to calculate molar mass. ठीक है? So atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 gram per mole. So we know the formula that mole is equal to given mass upon molar mass या atomic mass. ठीक है? N is equal to small m upon capital M. So small m is कितना हो गया था आपका?
14.
It is not given. Small s we have to calculate this. ठीक है? It is not given in the question. Mole is equal to 1.
14 ग्राम.
M is equal to upon 14. So M is equal to 14 gram. ठीक है? That's the answer. Yes. Yes. What are you saying, beta? I didn't understand. Okay. So the first answer is 14 gram. Next one. Capital M is molar mass. Small m is given mass. ठीक है? Mole is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Next question. Try to do it by yourself. What will be the answer, beta?
108 gram.
Yes, 108 gram.
And C का 126 gram.
ठीक है? So in the question, what is given? 10 moles is given, and we have to find out mass. ठीक है? Given mass. So mass is not given. ठीक है? Moles is equal to 10. 10 दिया. And next, molar mass of sodium sulfide. So there is a difference between sodium sulfate and sodium sulfide. ठीक है? There is a difference. What is the formula of sodium sulfate?
SO3.
Sulfate.
SO2. SO4. NaSO4.
NaSO4. What is the correct formula of sodium sulfate?
Na2SO4.
Is correct. ठीक है? The formula फॉर्मूला ऑफ सोडियम सल्फेट, सल्फेट जहाँ 8 आएगा तो फॉर्मूला इज Na2SO4. इफ सल्फाइड इज रिटन तो देन फॉर्मूला इज Na2SO3. ठीक है. सो मास ऑफ सोडियम इज 23, सल्फर 32 and oxygen 16. So they are 2 sodium atoms. So 2 into 23 plus sulfur, only single of sulfur is present in the atom. ठीक है. Oxygen 3 into 16. Now calculate its molar mass and put the value in this formula that N is equal to given mass upon molar mass.
126.
ठीक है. The answer will be 126. This is third वाला है. 22 gram of carbon dioxide is given in the question. ठीक है. Third one. So what you have to do? You have to find out moles. ठीक है. Moles is not given in the question. What is given? Given mass is given. ठीक है. That is 22 gram. ठीक है. So m is equal to 22 ग्राम. ग्राम यूनिट से भी आप पहचान सकते हो. ग्राम पर मोल में रहेगा तो इट्स मोलर मास, कैपिटल M. If gram is written then it's a mass, it's the unit of, sorry, it's a value of mass, given mass. ठीक है. And you know that carbon dioxide, formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. ठीक है. So molar mass of CO2 is equal to carbon कितना आ जाएगा 12 plus 2 into 16. So that is 44 gram per mole. ठीक है. So you know the formula that moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. So given mass is 22 and molar mass is 44. 22 by 44.
1 by 2.
So 1 by 2 आएगा
0.54.
and the answer will be 0.5 mole. Okay, that's it. Yes.
नेक्स्ट वाला क्वेश्चन हो गया.
ठीक है. In question number 10,
बी वाले का क्या आंसर?
second B 9.0 gram. ठीक है. In question number 10, what you have to do? You have to calculate number of molecules. Means number of particles is not given in the question. ठीक है. You have to find out. And S of sulfur atom, that is acid, present in 16 gram of solid sulfur. Gram is the unit of this number. ठीक है. So it is the value of given mass. ठीक है. Means given mass is given and we can calculate molar mass या atomic mass calculate कर लेंगे. How? There are 8 sulfur atoms, so 8 into 32, that is 256 gram. It means given we know the value of given mass and we know the value of molar mass. ठीक है. So use the formula that is N is equal to given mass upon molar mass. ठीक है. So given mass आपको कितना आ जाएगा 16 और molar mass upon 256. ठीक है.
1 by 16.
In the question we have to find out number of particles. ठीक है. Given mass is given, that is 16 gram. ठीक है. And molar mass of sulfur, ठीक है. The formula is S8. ठीक है. So 8 into 32, that is 256 gram per mole. ठीक है. And we know the formula that moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. And the other formula is moles is equal to number of particles upon Avogadro's number. ठीक है. We don't know the value of moles, we don't know the value of number of particles. दोनों ही नहीं पता. So how we can apply this formula directly? So first we have to calculate moles. So here given mass is given. Okay. That is 16 upon 16 upon 256. ठीक है. So n is equal to यहाँ पे ये आ गया आपका 16 upon 256. इसे ऐसे भी रख सकते हो या फिर कट भी कर सकते हो 4 से टेबल पढ़ के. और नेक्स्ट नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स में यू कैन पुट द फॉर्मूला, यू कैन लोअर फ्रैक्शन में भी आप ऐसे चेंज, यू कैन पुट द फॉर्मूला हियर, n की वैल्यू लिख सकते हो, नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट एंड यू नो द वैल्यू ऑफ एवोगाड्रोस नंबर दैट इज n is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23.
मैम कंप्लीटेड।
ठीक है,
मैम कंप्लीटेड। मैम नहीं आया मैम।
हम कंप्लीटेड
मैम आंसर नहीं। नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स
4 4 is 16.
1/64 मैम 1/60 64 मैम 1/16 मैम
1/16
So the n is equal to 1 by 16. ठीक है, it is clear to all of you, इतना clear है? Given mass पर molar mass, तो आपने given mass रखा, molar mass रखा, lower fraction में करेंगे तो 1 by 16. Now n is equal to 1 by 16. ठीक है, is equal to n upon Avogadro's number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. We have to find out the value of n. So n is equal to क्या हो जाएगा?
6.022 by
23 upon 16. अब कैलकुलेशन करनी है, that's it. Yes, the answer will be 3.76 into 10 to the power 22 molecules. ठीक है, 10 to the power 22 molecules. If you don't understand, then I will explain again. ठीक है, देखो, see the question that number you have to calculate number of molecules. Number of molecules is not given in the question. ठीक है, given mass is 16 gram, molar mass of acid is 256 gram per mole. So we have to find out this. Number of particles is not given in the question. So for that we know the value of Avogadro's number, but we don't know the value of moles. So moles के लिए एक फॉर्मूला है, because given mass अगर दिया है तो फॉर्मूला वो भी लगेगा पहले वाला, that is given mass upon molar mass. So given mass is 16, molar mass 256. If we divide these numbers, so answer will be 1 by 16. Put the value of moles in second formula. This one is first formula and this one is second formula. So second formula is n is equal to number of particles upon Avogadro's number. So n is equal to 1 by 16. Avogadro's number value is 6.02 into 10 power 23. Okay, and divide these numbers. So we will get the answer, that is 3.76 into 10 to the power 23, 22. ठीक है?